Adrian.
Yeah, man. Yo. Hey, boy.
Jesus!
Come here, yo, go on some fire. You see a drop a wallet charge.
Oh, Jesus.
Wait a man thing, wait a man for thief you.
No, how you called me a while ago. You sound like a rob, you never rob me. No, man, sorry, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, man, because I don't know what we would do. Sir!
Give me it, Ross. Look, a boy from my shop in there.
Yeah, cripple.
Oh, yeah, mom.
No.
Jaffet, I'm Jaffet.
I'm boy up there so thief my phone. I know I'm thief, I'm going like he don't thief my phone.
What do you mean by thief a phone?
Brother, I want...
Which one? Pipe him up.
You ask me like you can't help. You can't help me,
Yo,
cripple.
no worry your head, man. Tell me about your pipe.
See him there, the Ital one, the big
Man,
tall
you
one.
look smart if you mash up in there.
Mash up, oh, cripple. You can't mash up. Hey, Jesus Christ, cripple.
Come on, fit man, bad 50. Tell me, I'm for what is that? Yeah, man. I'm with boy in your
Yo, cripple, you know you're cripple. You're a bad boy.
Wait,
You
man.
a bad, but me never know you could have
Go
done
on,
the thing
man,
that
go
kind.
on.
Remember, so you kind of disable that type of way. You cripple, so me never know you could have got beat up, boy. Can man fall up, man?
What?
Eh? Me say you're disabled, so me never know you.
No, man. Say it to you.
You're disabled?
Man, show me disabled, man.
Marvin, how your father look, boy?
Pops, say clips up, pops.
Just cool, man. Just cool, man. Remember, say, what year what going on? You don't know, say me wash my pants. But it name dry, so me just jam one of them jeans when me sip on the line. I must say, for Jaffet.
But pops, tell you, clean your way, get this class from pops.
What you mean? Remember, half ICE, man, just cool, man. A code, man. You know, I think, man.
Code? What you know about code, pops?
Oh, you this a big that boy, yeah. We not lily boy, yeah, man. A code, man. We run things, yeah. We do it first. Them boy and not do it, and we are do it. Them a half do it.
So you know about that, pops?
True believer, man. Just cool.
True believer?
Believe. Not lily boy,
Let's
boy.
see your force.
Like a rabbit. Just cool, man. Just cool, man. Son, little more. If you know you can.
Fully, man. Fully cool. Pops, I want pops. I want pops. Pops, I want pops.
My name.
Remember, say you're a big man in the pops.
I'm not back.
And take time and go on over.
Jesus Christ. I did the type and thing. Take off that.
Alright.
You know, in them life, brother. Give me back my cap. Tell Jaffet to take off my pants off. I like it.
Alright, pops.
What you laugh
No,
at, boy?
man, laugh, man, pops, man.
You get joke, man. You want to sit no tight gladiator, boy?
No, man, pops.
No, say right word, man. And you get sit no tight gladiator.
No, pops. Go and force go like a rabbit, pops.
Force.
Me will take you all of no girl. The whole of them, me will flip no girl like flip cash. I'm told no girl a ATM easy if you take them. You withdraw no girl from no.
You know, if you have shame as an ugly youth, you know your place, brother.
I me have all like games them round here. You not see how me handsome.
Some people make certain comments.
Take on no girl quickly. Like phantom.
Oi! Why the girl I seen a picture in a panty and buzz here alone?
Because me don't go buy it for you.
So why other one she not have on no clothes?
It look like she sell it. Because she have business, so you can she show me. You can say she sell it, so she now she sell. So you say gone. I'm a Jamaican man, not cheat. Jamaican man, not give on.
A liar tell.
I'm fair tell her, you know, see evidence for yourself. Then you see her in her clothes, and then you see her in her clothes. She have on the clothes, she not sell it, and then she sell it and show me say gone. Up in all here. Big up. Yeah, me there, big up.
Big up.
Yeah, big up. What?
All gone.
Me there, me I say, oh, come on now. Me not see nobody. You understand? I don't want to see nobody. Or somebody come say, wow. Where the backside of what?
Hello, I ought to me fine. I ought to me have to come. Come here. I ought to me have to come find you. Come here, me talk to you. Come here. I ought to me have to come find you, boy.
No, Pops. A Wi-Fi, me come out and use
Wi-Fi. So, Wi-Fi, not the Come here. Don't you run. Don't you run.
What good, Pops?
No, so why you never say nothing to me say you come out of the house? You're a big man.
No, I never remember.
You turn your own a key.
Oh.
At your house?
No, Pops.
No man. Listen, Japheth have to hogs when him come out of the yard. And because you live with Daphne, make you have them a same thing in your head. Like you can come out of the house. Anytime you want. No, come here, let me talk to you, man. Remember, you is not a big man. You're taller than me now. Me will thump you down, make you short on me, yeah, boy? You hear, boy?
Yes, Pop.
Me ask you a question. Come here, talk to you. Come on. You know who me is?
Magnus
who?
Magnus Butterfield.
Good. And me is who to you?
My father.
Alright, you is my father?
No.
You is my son. Hey, don't run. Don't you run. Hours a night now. May I ask you a question? Why you don't just left the yard like this boy? You burn crack?
No.
You burn weed?
No, Pops.
Into the yard. Into the yard, boy. Into the yard. Don't think nothing could have a big man. Get up and left the yard without permission. And my house. And me rule, yeah. Magnus Butterfield, me name.
So she keep on party. And she said everybody can forward, just bring her back. But she don't want no ugly somebody come there. So I look at her and I say, Mama, say the plan for going to a party. She blocked me. Like, that don't make no sense. Me no see sense in that. Why y'all keep a party and you can't go? That does not add up. That now calculate to the right decimal to connect to the right point. You understand? To the right multiplication. You understand? But me I say still, all I want adds a pop up. If females them, we are pressure on the backside man for buying the most expensive Burger King bag. And so other bag and so on. And we have backside rent a pay. Car for car, got garage, you go check up. And so on, so. Tell them no backside this. This will have a chocolate and go and easy back with your fake rose. Nothing wrong with that. Let's go and well out till things right, alright? Alright, make sure you say alright. Send a gift in the comments to skip the ads. Skip, alright. What may I say now? Why you gonna keep a party if you can't go? Like, you know you're not cute from day one. Don't make a backside. Don't make a man take it from the backside either. I know you're pretty. I just
feel like you need to turn your life around.
Winston, me can't take too much I chatting you right now, you know, Winston. I tell you the truth.
You need to turn your life around. It's not about the chatting, it's about your life, It's the life choices, You need to be really pure with people, Because what goes around comes back around. And what goes around comes back around, round and round.
Winston, you chat too much foolishness right now, you know. You're like you're too pure, you know.
No,
you can't take too much I chatting, man.
You need to live pure now, I feel like the reason why your family run left you in the is because you're crippled. Your handicap is You understand, I'm just feel like you need to may your heart, be live pure, Because handicapped people, and crippled people, they just live pure, You understand,
I can't play this guy, man. Handicap this guy.
Yes,
No, Winston. I'm sorry.
Yes,
You're going to be handicapped.
So,
say it again.
What are you?
Sit down. No, sit back down.
So what are you?
No, sit back here.
You're handicapped,
Oh. Me handicap. Let's see something, man.
What are we going, How are the bongo jungle don't go on at A box me, They expect that one there, I'm going to call the Rasta 42 them, No,
Right, that's a good man, right? Right, that's so.
Oh, alright.
Thank you, man. Me appreciate it, man.
Alright,
You work really hard. For
man.
Go. Thank you, though.
Yeah, man. But wait, me can't find my wallet. Me can't find my wallet. Oh,
I beg your pardon?
me can't find my wallet for you.
Don't do that. Don't. I don't play that game.
Oh,
I don't play games.
Oh, no, me
a big man. I don't play games. Don't do that.
So
What you mean? All of a sudden you can't find your wallet. Do not do that. Me a big man. You hear me say?
Oh,
don't do that.
Oh. Oh, sorry, man.
But you can't find your wallet. Look, about it. I'm a tough fuck. Me nah let you till you find your wallet. Find your wallet. Find your thing. Me a big man, when me a thief your wallet for. Don't play with me, man. Me no play game, man. Pick me shit thing. Me no wrong. Looking at them place and see if you find your wallet. Looking at us and see if you find your thing, man. And don't play with me.
So you're supposed to do about the place, man.
What do you mean if you're supposed to do? See the wallet here. Hello, see your wallet here, man.
Oh, sorry, man.
You can't look on big man and talk about how me can't find all of a sudden me a go away.
Oh, sorry, man.
Take a wallet, man.
See that, man.
And shake up your folly ground, man.
Oh, sorry,
You
man.
think big man a thief, man?
Alright, Magnus, man. You told me miserable, man. Come on, man.
But can't find wallet.
You told me miserable, man.
Come
Come on,
on, man. As a matter of fact, make sure I find my phone.